Good evening, everyone. My name is Shekinah Williams, and this is my introductory video for my field placement. For my field placement, I am working with the youth population of ages 5 through 18, male and female. And I'm very excited about this placement because it is completely different from what I do for my full-time employment. In terms of the population or the age population is the same. However, the demographics of these youth are completely different. I work in a more um, financially stable community, and where my internship at is more of a financially deprived community. So completely different, um, types of youth that need services, completely different type of resources that are available. So I'm excited to expose the inner city youth to a lot of the resources that my other youth have, even though they are in the same state, just in different counties. The resources are completely different. So I'm excited to expose them to that. Um, I think one of my concerns for this placement is me being able to remove myself in terms of I'll be able to connect with these youth because we do come from a similar background, but making sure that I do not overstep um those boundaries and making sure that I keep it professional with them and try not to get my emotions too attached to these youth in terms of just like being too overbearing or things like that. Just keeping it as professional but understanding as possible because I do want to build that connection with them. So I think in order for me to kind of like have that excitement low is to make sure that I, consult with my supervisor daily to make sure that I'm on a nice, even playing field with my youth, and also providing them the best services that they need. So I do look forward to that. So thank you very much, and I look forward to working with you guys. Thank you. Bye.